Hello, I'm John Sanders, Director of the Benefit Coordinators. We serve you, employees of the federal government. TBC is an educator of your benefits and a tool to your financial goals. Today, we're going to delve into the complex world of the Federal Employee Group Life Insurance, better known as FEGLI. If you've ever had to deal with the unfortunate loss of a loved one covered by FEGLI, you might know it's challenging and it can be really difficult. So let's dive in and explore the ins and outs of filing a claim for FEGLI death benefits, reasons for claim rejections or delays, and when it comes to best to seek legal assistance. All right, let's break down what makes FEGLI stand out in the world of insurance. Picture this. Unlike your typical private life insurance policies or those state and local government programs, FEGLI operates under federal law, which means it's a whole different ballgame. It's like the big boss in the room, trumping any state legislation. With its unique status, you can bet it comes with its own set of rules and regulations. One of the key rules you need to remember is that the precious death benefits from FEGLI can be awarded only to the designated beneficiary, no matter the relationship they have with the person who passed away. It doesn't matter if they were family, a friend, or even an ex-spouse. Okay, sideline here. I have seen situations where federal employees have died, leaving accidentally the money to an ex-spouse because they named them as a beneficiary but never updated the beneficiary form. The government has an obligation to pay that beneficiary, not the current spouse, but the named beneficiary. This is why I always emphasize the importance of keeping beneficiary information up to date. Trust me, it can save you a whole lot of trouble down the road. Now there's another interesting nugget about FEGLI. Unlike many other insurance policies, it still pays out in cases of suicide. Yep, you heard it right. This unique feature can be a real game changer for some families during incredibly tough times, but remember, it doesn't mean it's a smooth ride all the way. Claims can still hit a roadblock for various reasons unrelated to beneficiaries. You might face issues with eligibility, like not meeting certain criteria, or perhaps the coverage wasn't active at the time of the unfortunate incident. Insufficient documentation or missing premium payments can also throw a wrench in the works, so it's crucial to stay on top of all the paperwork and the payments. When it comes to the order in which FEGLI death benefits are distributed, it's essential to know the hierarchy. It goes something like this. The designated beneficiary, no exceptions. If you're not the designated beneficiary, it goes to the surviving spouse. If there's no surviving spouse, any surviving children are next in line. If there are no surviving children, then any surviving parents come into play. If there are no surviving parents, the beneficiaries go to the executor or administrator of the deceased estates. And if none of those are in place, the beneficiaries are given to the next of kin. But here is the catch. If no beneficiary files a claim after 4 years, all funds are encased to FEGLI. Basically, FEGLI keeps the money and you are SOL. Now, let's dig into the challenges that are often trip people up when it comes to filing claims. One of the biggest stumbling blocks is that will throw a monkey wrench into the process is unclear beneficiary. Imagine this. You've got a potential beneficiary at each other's throats, distributing each other's claims, and even worse, multiple parties jumping in with their own competing claims. It's like a tangled mess that can take ages to sort out. But that's not all. Another headache arises when the designated beneficiary turns out to be invalid. Maybe they're not eligible for some reason, or maybe they've already passed away themselves. Yep, it's a real curveball when it can get really, really complicated. And here's the kicker. If there's no beneficiary on record, it's like hitting a dead end. Your claim might just get rejected and you'll find yourself back at square one, feeling frustrated and stuck. Furthermore, issues related to the deceased's eligibility for FEGLI coverage, such as opting out or discontinuing premium payments, can also lead to claim denials. So let's tackle the big question. What happens when you find yourself stuck in the dreaded situation of a detailed and delayed claim? Here's the deal. A claim is marked as delayed if it hangs in the balance unpaid for a good 30 days after you've submitted all the necessary paperwork. It's like waiting for a train that never seems to arrive, leaving you frustrated and anxious. Now, when you kick off the claims process, it typically starts with the beneficiary sending over the crucial death certificate to the Office of Personnel Management. They're like the gatekeepers to this whole process. And once they receive the certificate, they'll fire back with an FE6 claim form, your golden ticket to move things along. But wait, there's more. Sometimes they might throw you a curveball and ask for additional documentation. Something like a fancy certificate from the employing agency's office. Yep, it's like a never-ending quest for the right paperwork to satisfy the insurance overlords. Several factors can contribute to delayed FEGLI claims, including insufficient supporting documents, a lack of a death certificate, beneficiary disputes, or competing claims. For complex cases and delayed claims, it's advisable to seek legal counsel to expedite the process. If you're a federal employee covered by FEGLI, you can simply simplify this claims process for your beneficiary by ensuring your information is current and all your premiums are paid, and all necessary documentation is in order. By taking proactive steps to maintain your FEGLI coverage, you can provide peace of mind to your loved ones during these challenging times. I'll tell you what, folks, FEGLI is a nightmare, and if you have any kind of questions, you need to contact us here at the Benefit Coordinators. This is a difficult process, so remember, understanding the unique rules of FEGLI and keeping beneficiary information updated and seeking legal assistance when necessary are crucial steps to ensuring smooth claims processing during difficult times. Until next time, take care and stay informed. I thank you for watching. TBC has created a handbook. It's available to help you understand the complexities of your benefits. It is available for a fee on Amazon or free by contacting us. If this video has helped you, press the like button. Subscribing will help us, and pressing the chime will notify you of our new posts. I thank you for viewing this video, and I thank you for your service.